Oh yeah!
Heck yeah!
All right, so I'm back here, gonna do a little KDX test on like river rocks, something I avoided on the motocross bike, just because the suspension was so stiff that little rocks would just literally pogo you everywhere. But I want to see how this bike does, so we're gonna hit the riverbed here, and I'm gonna test it out.
Take it easy on me though, right?
I'm not going fast, just like exploring, dude, exploring. No, another recon mission, okay? And we're gonna cut down into the riverbed.
Do we have to go through sand?
No, just river. Just the river rocks. I gotta find it.
And then we're gonna go to that water area?
Yeah, we're gonna ride the riverbed up. Okay?
Alright.
Nice and easy. It doesn't even pick up, I don't think, till across the road. But we're starting here. A little rock practice. I don't know what these little rocks are called. We go down in here.
They're called big pebbles. Whoa, Dada. You just launched a giant rock.
See, I would have avoided this like the plague with the other bike.
Oh.
Alright, so I'm able to ride on these, which is a huge plus. Something I couldn't do before. So another big plus for the KDX and me.
KDX and me.
The KDX and me. It's good for beginners. It's got such a wide range of uses.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all clear. It's across. Try to stand up. Try to stand on this stuff, even though I'm not going fast. I love it. I'm in love. In love.
Yep.
Oh, did I lose the rocks? Kind of. I'm so happy. How are you doing back there? It's probably just no problem for you, as you've already shown me in the past.
Yeah.
Well,
Making me work a teeny bit harder than you, probably.
well, we got out of it. Here, how can I get back in? Ooh, it's soft. Oh, it's just spinning. All right, it's soft. Just tractoring, just tractoring. I like the rocks better.
I hate this stuff.
How are you doing?
Hating the sand.
Yeah, the sand's tough.
Oh, wow.
All right, maybe I'm going too far now.
Let's get out of this.
All right, we'll get out of it. We'll get out of it.
Oh, shoot.
What?
I hit my shocks hard. Hold on.
Track.
I got it, yes.
All right, go up this hill. Go past me because it's really soft. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it up this. Get your momentum and go. I really wanted to go on those rocks, but if you want to get out of here,
Yeah.
then exit. Go this way around me. Don't slow down. Momentum, go. Go, 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 go.
Should I stop?
Hey, yeah, stop right there. Okay, a little feathering.
Yeah.
Doesn't end right there. I could have been practicing that. I'm coming back here. I'm practicing rocks.
I thought you meant further
That's okay.
on.
Go. Let's see what we find out here.
Pass me. Pass me.
Yeah, you ride.
Alright.
Just take it easy. It's all exploring, dude.
Yeah.
Tell me how your bike handles this stuff. Or
Good.
Yeah? And it's a motocross bike, which is amazing.
Like I said in last video, just skill.
It's all skill, yeah. It's all rider.
Yeah,
That's why-
80% rider, 20%.
I should have just given you the 426. Right? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you just graduated to the 426 right away. You're so good. It's all rider. I know it is. Just teasing you a little.
I know.
That's cool.
Yeah, I don't think this is a trail. Oh, it is.
This is a cool trail. What are you talking about? There's nobody out here.
Yeah. Awesome.
It's our own little single track.
Uh-huh.
We found a new place.
This is cool.
It's very cool. Watch out for this riverbed that it doesn't suddenly make a turn and you're on a drop off, right?
Yeah.
Because it's hard to tell. It'll blend in.
Uh-huh.
You don't want to just come to a cliff.
Alright, go in front of me.
There. Good shit. Well, see, it goes down. You want to just follow it?
Sure.
Because I don't know. It looks like they go through there. Let's see where it goes. More rocks. I see a little bit of a track here. All right. Cool again. Oh, I don't want to fall on those spikes. Watch out for that plant. It's hard to keep your balance.
The air is so dry here.
Dude, this is what I love though. This hard exploring here.
Yeah.
Makes me happy.
Uh-huh.
Wonder if there's any more single track up in the middle there.
I liked it. I kind of like single track more than trail.
Oh, I do too. Well, single track is trail. Let's see what we got here. This looks like we're going to the same canyon.
It does.
Alright, so now the question is, do we go up there? And what is up there?
It
If
looks
anything.
Like, it looks like it goes up and down.
Here, let me see if I can go by myself. I know you can go.
Can I go?
Sure. Probably slick.
Shoot.
Yeah, slick.
It's
muddy.
Hold on, wait for me.
Maybe you need a running start. It's muddy.
Alright.
Oh, you're in a rough spot.
I am.
You're in a rough spot. Give it a try. It's really going to be like blasting it. It's muddy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ha 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 ha. Hey,
You want to go back down?
Okay. I'll go down.
Or you want your... Alright. Get yourself some speed. Get comfortable. Bump start it after that big rock. That sharp rock. Alright, now. Bump.
I can't.
Rev it. Because it was laying down, remember?
Yeah. I'll turn around.
Alright. I'll stay right here in the middle. See what you got. Let's see.
Don't be in my way though, okay?
No, I'm on the side. Don't worry about me. See what you got here, Graham Jarvis. Just do first gear and power it. Keep it in the power band. Power band. Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah!
that was awesome. You almost lost it. You bounced off the pegs.
Yeah.
I saw that. You bounced off the pegs. You almost lost it, but you did good.
I clutch popped it.
That was good.
Yeah.
You know what that deserves. Hey. Let's see where it goes.
Alright. How much gas do I have? Should I check how much gas?
Sure. Wait, is this just a turnout? Are you kidding me?
Oh my gosh.
Wait a second. I can't tell from here. Check it out. Just check your gas.
Huh?
Check your gas.
I did. It's like right. It's good still.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. After all that, there's nothing here. Dude! Oh, but look at the hawk. Alright.
At least the hawk saw us.
So, guys, thanks for watching. We went exploring, and we found an awesome dead end.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's it for today.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below. Dash out.